Before you build anything with AI, you need to know how to think about it. That's this whole series, the thinking that comes before any tech. No code, no jargon, just the ideas. And the best place to start is a story about why AI exists at all. Years ago, Steve Jobs was on stage giving a presentation, and someone in the audience asked him a question. You built this Apple computer, what are you really expecting from it? He said, look at what we've already done. Today you can take a book by Aristotle, put it inside your computer, any book, and read it. But then he shared his dream. Maybe in my lifetime, maybe not. I want the day when that Aristotle book doesn't just sit there. You ask it a question, and the book itself gives you the answer. Stop and think about that. That dream is exactly what AI became. Today you ask a model a question, and it answers you, like the book itself is speaking. Jobs described our world decades before it arrived.
Okay, and machine learning, does it simply mean the machine is learning the way we learn?
Exactly the way we learn. Take my morning coffee. Every day, this much water, this much coffee, put it on the gas. Nobody hands me instructions anymore. I learned the routine by doing it again and again. Now imagine a machine learns that same routine. The moment it has learned it, I hand the work over, it puts the water, it makes the coffee, and I spend my morning on something else. That's the whole point of a machine that learns. So that's why AI exists. An old dream, knowledge that answers back, plus machines that learn so they can take work off our hands. Keep those two ideas, everything in this series builds on them. Next, machine learning wasn't a sudden invention. It grew step by step out of ordinary automation. That story is part 2. See you there.